Hello and welcome back on my channel. Since the release of the last episode, I've been working on the model, meaning I've been building up layers of coating. I think I have by now more than 10 layers of Micro seal on the model with a lot of sanding in between. And I think the result is, although not perfect, it's quite decent, which is why I gave it a last finishing touch with some glossy varnish. And that means that we can move on to the installation of the RC components. If I take off this rear hatch, you will see that I have now installed some cables that allow me to charge the battery, which is sitting in front and only accessible through this tiny little hatch here. I think this is far more convenient. And I think we are now ready for the installation of the motor. So let's do this. Before we move on and install any other component, let's do a quick check. I've connected the engine to the speed controller and the battery and of course the receiver. By the way, the speed control is included in the kit. So let's just test everything. Seems to work. I finally was able to install all the RC components. Gonna take that off and show you guys. As you can see, it is very cramped in here, but we've got everything we need. We have a receiver, a speed controller, motor, and the servo is sitting here. And I can also show you, steering is working, throttle is working. I unfortunately don't have too much footage. It was quite a struggle to install everything, and forgot to film some parts. But if you have questions, just leave a comment. Otherwise, I'd say we close that again, and we are ready to tackle the next steps in the next episode. I hope you had fun watching this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel. I say thank you and see you next time.